Welcome back. I am in front of the camera instead of behind it, just to mix stuff up a bit. It's a little bit of a strange, fun change today because I have got an announcement to make. I have partnered with the Lego group, yeah, I know, it feels pretty good to say that, to create an unstoppable fan project for Lego friends. I'm really excited about this. Now, what does this mean, I hear you ask? You know what? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. No, I was paying attention, but I actually don't know. What I do know is that we get to create a project out of the box, not following the instructions, a project created with your ideas, and I'm going to build it. We're going to work together as a community to make, let me do it again, the Unstoppable Fan Project. I don't even know where I'm looking. So over the next 4 videos, we are going to, well, 3 videos because this is the first one, we are going to bend the boundaries and play Unstoppable while creating, wait for it, Hot Mix City's Got Talent show. Now, everything that's going to be happening with this talent show, the build, the talents, the characters, all of that will be up to you guys. I've decided that Andrea, our OG Lego Friends gal, is going to be a judge, but the rest of it is up to us, the community. So, oh my gosh, so we're going to decide what the other characters are, well, who the other characters are, what their talents are going to be, and ultimately, who will win. Does there have to be a winner? I suppose so, right? Right, so who will win? But, you know, we're going to go on a journey along that way. It's all about the journey. And there's a yet to be revealed exciting final celebration. I'll keep you informed as the project develops. I don't know what that final celebration is yet. So surprises for everybody. I love surprises. Now, this project has no limits and I want you to unleash your creativity to help me decide what is going to happen. So how are we going to do that? How do we keep in touch? How do we get all this information across? Well, this is how. You need to sign up to the Lego Life app and you can suggest your thoughts on what the project could look like. So on the app, you can interact with other members of the project's posts. You can answer polls to help decide on key moments, and you can even send pictures of the builds you want to be included. I'll be looking and responding to as many suggestions as possible and using them to build the next stage of the project. We are literally making this up as we go along. I could not be more excited. And there are going to be 2 special guests who will be co-creating this project with us. Diane Buswell, who you may have seen dancing on your TV screens, who will be following the project and suggesting her own ideas. Perhaps she will decide what talent a character performs, or if another judge judges alongside Andrea, or even a completely new set design. The options are limitless. And I did say 2 special guests. We need to stay tuned for who the other one's going to be. So many surprises along the path. So to create this project, we obviously need Lego bricks, which I have a few of just to start with, but the Lego group has also sent me some more to get started with and to improvise with and create with, and oh my gosh, right, so this is going to be such a wild ride. Let's take a look at what they've sent me. They're going to send me some more of the friend sets as well so that we can Our options are limitless. We are going to take these and we are just going to go sky high from the baseboard. Let's take this on a journey. Come along with me. But first up, let's have a look at the sets. So here are the sets that Lego sent me. We've got like an interesting eclectic variety here. We're going to use these as just our building out materials. I suppose we're going to use these. We're going to mine these for parts rather than actually building the sets. So we've got the little croissant stand, the little bakery stand here. I'm wondering what bits we can pull out of this to use for our project. Maybe we could pop the puppy in and I don't know. We could use the characters out of it. We've got one of the animal sanctuary one. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. I can't wait to build this with the instructions, but also use this one to just for parts so we can put the goat in there. How would we incorporate the goat or a goat or goats in general into a talent show? I don't know. This one will be really useful because my plan is kind of to build onto the existing stage that's just come out for the Lego Friends line, and we could use this as a karaoke set to build out. The colours in it are fantastic. We've got all these transparent see-through ones. Little flags will be fun too. What else? What else? This will be handy for the outfits because we're going to have to choose outfits for the characters to wear for the talent show. So we could get into here, see what we can utilize from in here. Oh my goodness, the options are just like at the moment. I mean, there are no plans at the moment. We are going to have to make those plans together with your suggestions. So, oh my gosh, but there's so many choices. What else have we got? We've got Ollie and Paisley's house, which we can, I mean, we don't want to use this as a house, but we could use parts of it. Maybe we could pull bits of the, I wonder if I can use the purple foliage for something that's not actually purple. Well, sorry, no, definitely purple, but something that's actually not leaves. So we can make something out of that. They also sent me some classic Lego block sets. So this one's full of neon colors. It looks amazing. So yeah, these will be really handy for the foundational part, but also there's these really fun details in here. And I got a couple of these pastel classics box sets too. These colors are just so delicious. I just want to nom on them right now. Oh, it looks like delicious ice cream colors in here, but I got to think outside of what the colors are saying. Instructions, don't need them, throw them away. And in our neon colored one, I think these colors tie in really, really nicely with the pop star theme with the Lego Friends line at the moment. Go really nicely with the karaoke set. Options are limitless. We can do whatever we want. We do what we want. These colors go nicely with the vintage fashion store too. Oh my God, this is going to be so much fun. I love creating new stuff. All right, so instructions, don't need them. Bye-bye. Let's have a look what's inside the karaoke one because I haven't built this as a set yet. I will do that very soon, but I'm going to use this particular one here just for parts. We're going to steal the parts from this to use for our project together. Okay, so we've got these. We don't need them. We don't need them at the moment. So let's have a look. There are actually alternate faces in this set, I think, for Leanne and for Nova. And they're faces that look like they're singing. So, because they're at karaoke, right? So let's see if I can isolate this out of here and see, look at that. That does look like a singing face, but it also kind of looked like a shocked, aghast face. So you could use it for all sorts of things. All sorts of things that could happen on the talent show stage. There's another one in here for Leanne somewhere as well. Where is it? I don't know. I can't find it. I'm pretty sure it's in here though. I'm pretty sure she gets an alternate singy face too. This is going to be so much fun. I think we should have though, I really like the little flags that are over here, but oh, hold on. There should be stickers here. They're still in the box, people. This is if you're missing something, check in the box, check in the bags that you've already thrown away, because I can guarantee the amount of times I've found my missing things in the parts I've tried to throw away. But yeah, these stickers, we can add some really great detailing with the stickers. They don't have to be used in the function that they were intended for. We can use them in something entirely and completely new. This is what we've got to start the Bear Bricks Blocks Bones. So are you coming with me? Of course you are. This is going to be epic. We can take our existing friends. We can make new characters, new friends. You could bring along your real life friends into the Lego Life app. Oh my gosh, right. So first job, head over to the Lego Life app, sign up, and let's start getting the creative suggestions rolling. Let's start getting this project. Project sounds like work. It's not a project. This is fun. This is going to be 100% creative fun. We are going to have a blast doing this together. Oh my gosh. All right. So I will see you in Lego Life. I will see you in the next video. And yeah, let's get this started. Unstoppable fan project. Yeah, all right. This is going to be wild. See you soon. Bye.